puppy. Today let's find out different words which start with the letter V. This is how the alphabet V looks like in uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. V for vegetables. Vegetables. V for vine. Vine. V for viola. Viola. V for vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. V for vinegar. Vinegar. V for vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. V for vegetable peeler. Vegetable peeler. V for Veena. Veena. V for violin. Violin. V for vizcacha. Vizcacha. V for viper. Viper. V for vulture. Vulture. V for vase, which can also be pronounced as vase. 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 And lastly, V for vest. Vest. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter V. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.